Alright, a 2 marker here, very basic rotation question. And you need to rotate triangle A through 90 degrees. Now 90 degrees is a quarter turn, okay? 90 degrees anti-clockwise, so that is that way. Alright, the clock ticks this way, so anti-clockwise is that way. And it needs to go about the point, and about just means around. So about the point, -2, 3. First thing I'm going to do is mark the point on very clearly, because if I get my point wrong, and I've shown what point I'm rotating it around, I can get some follow-through marks. So -2, 3. That's my point there. Alright. Now, I didn't bring tracing paper home with me because I left in a rush. However, I popped down to the kitchen and got some baking paper. Didn't need to share that with you, but I don't know why I did. I'm really proud of myself for fixing this problem. Right, so you put your tracing paper on top of the question. You mark on your centre, first of all, and I always like to mark it with a cross in the direction of the lines, and I always put an arrow pointing up, which would be, if it was a clock, 12 o'clock, just because I find it easier to rotate a shape looking at this. So I'm going to start by putting the points there, and then I'll connect the triangle. As long as the points are accurate, it doesn't matter really what your lines are looking like while it's on the tracing paper. So there's my shape. I'm going to put my pencil down now in the middle of my cross, and I'm going to do a quarter turn anti-clockwise. So my 12 o'clock hand is going to go around to 9 o'clock. So it's done a quarter turn there. So that's where my new shape is going to be. Now I could make a note of the coordinates here if I wanted. That's -2, 6. That's -6, 6. And that's -2, 8. Or I could just make sure I've got my tracing paper held down firmly and slip my pencil underneath and make a mark where it would be. So there's my -2, 6. The next one is up 2 squares, which is there. And the last one is there. Probably best though to go by the coordinates. So I'll move to pen now. I'll draw that in with my makeshift ruler and my kitchen baking paper. And there you have it. 2 marks done.